for the confusion and delay. Please don't blame Andy. And, you know, relevant to the story I was telling before I left, I don't think anybody would confuse me and Andy today. So he sent me a few words, and I'm just going to read them. You guys know Andy and Aerospace Specialty Products for the most part. He's based in Florida. He says, for a quarter century, Aerospace Specialty Products has provided superior model rocket kits, components, and service to the model rocket community. We specialize in scale rocket kits, educational bulk pack rocket kits, and competition rocket kits, as well as the supplies that go with them. Our kits are made with the beginner in mind, as well as advanced models for the experienced builder. Made with high quality rocket parts, our kits also feature complete and detailed instructions. We design model rocket kits for the modeler who actually likes to build rockets as opposed to just putting together a prefab kit. Our philosophy is that the more you put into a model, the more pride and enjoyment you get out of it. And you will recognize, I'm sure, the Aerospace Specialty Products motto, kits you build.
Right.
So with that, I will just say I've been enjoying working with Andy's products recently. On Thursday, you'll see my scale model, which is a Black Brant 8, which I created from an adapted version of Andy's 24mm Black Brant 5B kit. I adapted it to the 5C, which is the sustainer stage of the Black Brant 8, and then I built a Nike booster, scratch-built a Nike booster using parts sourced from Andy. So it's not an ASP kit, but it's an ASP product. Actual products that you can buy. He's got some new things. The first is, and you'll sense a theme here. The first one is a Micromax Black Brant 3. It's cute.
Use it for suturing.
Yeah. Pointy. I guess the order of the day is to pass these things around. When I ordered that because I had the Estes Black Brant kit and I wanted a Black Brant 3 kit and I wanted to build, you know, in a couple different scales, and I ordered that from Andy. And when I got my package, he had sent me the prototype for his 13mm motor Black Brant 3. And I was privileged to be one of the prototype test builders of this. I flew it at the sport range the other day, which is, the green tape here is, is my unremoved motor, not part of the kit. I'll pass this one around too. It has a little bit of flight rash, and also this is not an Andy built display model, so
Wow.
any defects are mine, not his. And then just before I left for NARAM, he sent me, and this is an Andy built display model, he sent me his newest product, which I believe is now available on his website. It's a Micromax Astro BD. Perfect companion to your Aerotech Astro BD. Except it would fit inside the launch lug of that one, I think.
Put them on the fin.
When I unpacked this, I mean, I knew he was sending me something to bring here. I didn't know what it was. When the box, which had some parts I had ordered, had an extra tube in it that I hadn't. I don't remember ordering this tube, and I looked at it and realized that there was stuff stuffed in the ends of the tube, and it was what he had used to protect this. And when I pulled it out, my immediate reaction was, well, that's adorable. I know adorable is not a word we normally use for rockets, but this really is a cool little gadget. And I will pass this one around too.
Okay.
I know Andy would have loved to have been here. He's doing well. He and his family are doing well in Florida, and he's putting out new product, and just a wonderful, I mean, he's a friend of mine, so I'm biased, but he's a wonderful guy to deal with. If you have ever ordered from him, you know that. I'm happy to try to answer any questions, but probably my answer is going to be check with Andy. Any questions? Thank you so much.